let's also install this Polini new air filter. I already sprayed it with that filter because you need to always oil your filter, and I already put it in here. And if you're wondering how to get it, it's this little clip right here. You take it and you put it down, and then it goes into here. So yeah, let's put it in now. So now you just push it in, let go of it, and then you just install this clip. And now you have your air filter on your motorcycle, on your Honda Camino. And yeah, so let's go now and to the first start over there. So now that we have fitted the new fuel line and reconnected everything, let's see if this thing actually starts. So now let's turn on the tap, and yeah, well, let's just try. What? It works so great! Never thought it would go first kick. Okay, let's see if the headlight works. It does! Nice! Let's try some other buttons, I don't know what to do. This doesn't seem to be connected to anything. What is this for? Oh, we have the horn! Let's go, okay. Let's do the first test drive. So, let's try it now. Okay. Yeah. Wow. The pull is crazy. Okay, so as you can see, it works very great. The pull is way better than before, and it picks up speed way better. I think this is a mission well. Now we're going to hook up all the other stuff, and then I'm going to do a video for you comparing the other stuff. Now I'm going to start taking apart the carburetor again, because we got a new fuel filter, so this thing won't get dirty again. Also, if I didn't mention, we tried it last time. It worked great till it didn't. So we think, because it only works with a choke, that this thing is just full of dirt, and so that's why we bought a new fuel filter. So yeah. So now that we have again seen that the problem is the carburetor with its stuff, let's now take it off again. Okay, and we'll go in. Okay, like this. So we're going to want to do it like this, and then just an easy crack. Okay, nice. Let's do this to all of the bolts. Nice. Good. So now let's just remove the bolts. I'm going to skip ahead a little bit. Now let's remove the carburetor from here. So let's try. So I think what would be logical is, let's remove this fuel line. We're going to have to remove this clip for a second. Let's put it all over here. So if any fuel comes out, it goes into our bowl. And now let's just gently pull on it till we get the seat or the rim of the carb here, and now just lift it out. Good. Now let's see, maybe the fuel will come out here. Doesn't seem to. So let's put it up on the table. We have our carb back in here, and we're now going to start connecting the frame, and after that we're going to put our fuel filter on, which needs to go, as we can see from the arrow. So the fuel comes here. If there comes any dirt, it gets stuck here. So yeah, let's start replacing all the stuff. Let's go.